Good morning. We're at 103/105 North Chester. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. We're going to start on the 105 side here. It's listed as or indicated as a one bedroom. It's really an efficiency, as you'll see with the layout on it. It's pretty small, different kind of layout and everything. Probably still, in the $500-600 range. Maybe a little bit higher with a little bit nicer as far as the layout is concerned, to get rent on this one. So we'll walk in, you can see carpet, tall ceilings. So some resurfacing here probably helps you out on that. This room here is probably where you would have a bedroom, considering this is the larger of the rooms, right? So again, this is really an efficiency type layout. Living area here and extra room here. Your bathroom here is, let's see if we can get some light on. Nope. It looks in good condition. I had the flashlight on it earlier. So not a whole lot of work needs to be done here. The fixtures are fine. And then back here into the kitchen. Obviously a small space here. The range is kind of sticking out a little bit, and that's because of the gas supply line that's there. There's space for a washer and dryer in here, a refrigerator, older appliances. They do work, but might want to upgrade that depending on what you're looking to get for the property. And then it goes out here onto the back to the shared backyard for the unit off to the side. Okay. We'll go on now over to the next unit for the next video, and I'll get you the outside tour for that one as well. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.